Hi guys, so we're gonna be playing some gta5. I passed this like a long time ago. I'm trying to whisper because I want to try to sleep. But I'll make more videos. Like and subscribe, please. I need more subscribers. If you subscribe, I'll mention you in every one of these videos. So I'm just waiting for this thing to load. Let's see. Bikers. Story mode. Story mode. We're playing story. So there we go. Right now we're as Franklin. Pretty cool. I have a lot of money, so I'm gonna find a car where to build. I think it's just let's. Boom. Yep, here's the car. Let's take this car. Yep. Let's go. Yeah. I crashed it. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, you really did. Chill. Just trying to. There we go. Wow, someone's shooting at me. Okay. Okay. Won't you drift? Don't shoot my window. Don't shoot my window. gta5 style. Boom. Lost him. See? I lost him. Oh, shoot. No. Never mind. He's landing on my tail. Shoot. Okay, I lost him. Let's do some jumping. Whoa. Yes. I lost that. Okay. So, let's go do this. Okay. What is that? Sorry guys, this might be a long video, but maybe my phone might change off because it doesn't record that much. Oh, boom. Landed. Stick the landing. Oh, here comes the truck. Yeah, but yeah, so can't because, oh my god. Man, really, this is a nice bike. It's a cool bike. Man, let's customize it. Let's see what this bike. So if you get this bike is pretty awesome. You can probably find out the legendary motorsports. But I just showed you what car you can get from it. So let's do this. See, look right there. Tighten on the thrust motorcycle. So let's see, repair it. Let's just do everything on here. I don't know if you guys can see this well, but racing brake engine. This thing should be fast. Okay, bearings. Yep, have that. Nope. Yep. Lights. Spray. Let's go in. Magazine generator turbo. No, hold on. Oops. Okay, we have mostly everything customized. Not what I expected, but what you get what you get. Since you customize it, let's go to the so that's it. There. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh well, we might get a new car. I'm sorry, Mike. Let's try to save. Whoa. Maybe I should make a video when the cops get mad. Oh shoot. I'm just waiting for Rocket League to download. It takes freaking forever. Oh shoot. Yeah, Rocket League takes forever to download. But let's see how fast my Wi-Fi goes. Then I'll play and make a next video like in a couple hours. So right now, no cars. Oh shoot. Okay. So this is okay guys, this is how to find that bike. I think it was called. You have to find one of those cars to make it and then customize it and see what you get. Let me know in the comments below. See you guys later. See you guys later. Bye.